95% of Americans can't solve this problem. 2 to the root of x is equal to a to the x power. What is x? So the first thing we're going to do is write a to the x power as 2 to the 3x power and 2 to the root of x as 2 to the root of x power, because we can't do much with it. And now we're going to set them equal to each other. And because we see that there's an x in the exponents of both, we could just get rid of the base, which is 2. So now we have the root of x is equal to 3x. However, square roots are hard to work with. So now I'm just going to square both sides so that I can get rid of it. The root sign and the second exponent cancel each other out. So on this side we have x, and over here 3x squared is just going to be 3 times 3, that's 9. X squared is going to be x squared. So we have x is equal to 9x squared. Now we want to get all our variables on one side. So we're going to subtract x from here, subtract x from here, and now the x's cancel out and we have 9x squared minus x is equal to 0. And from here we factor. So what factor goes into both 9x squared and negative x? That's going to be x. So we factor out of x, and now we have 9x minus 1 on the inside. And if we have this equation where there's two factors, if one of these factors is equal to 0, then the whole thing is 0 because they're being multiplied by each other. So we have two separate equations. X is equal to 0 and then 9x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now right here we obviously have one solution, and to solve 9x minus 1 is equal to 0, we're going to add 1 to both sides, and we have 9x is equal to 1. We divide this side by 9, this side by 9 as well. We get x is equal to 1/9. So x is equal to 1/9 and 0 is going to be